Okay, guys and girls, Zephyrhills house, soffit, part 2. This is the gable end towards the shed here. We put the soffit up, and you guys saw this morning that there was no soffit here. So we installed the soffit, took the trim down, put it back up. We're gonna, I know it looks a little rough, but we're gonna pressure wash the trim and paint all the trim and siding and everything here shortly. So that is all done. Tomorrow we're gonna do this section here, get this all done, and that'll be fun going around all that. And then also tomorrow will be this. We'll get this all done tomorrow, and should be looking pretty good. We used right about 5.5 sheets of 12-foot soffit to do that gable end. 24 inches wide, so it ate it up. Then we'll have to turn this corner here and figure out all of this where the sunroom used to be. Get that done, and then we're doing 6-inch gutters and downspouts and painting the house, prime paint, do all that, paint the trim, make it a little dollhouse. So that's what we got, guys. I just wanted to show you where we were, what we got accomplished. It's just me and Dad, and you know, to be honest with you, it's been years since we've done this stuff, so it took a second to get everything going, especially with aluminum. We're used to vinyl, so, but we got it figured out, and yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. So I will be back tomorrow with another video showing this section and that back there, and we'll go from there. Have a great night.